it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. War is in the air. Tell them free prepare. So, we're there today with champion moments with Rick Ross. Rick Ross job champion moments. It's a Drake this. Boss. Oh. So, we're gonna jump in that one now. We see the fuck Korea one. We see it. It's not. This is not our line of music that we normally react to, but we're here. Regardless, we have to do it. It's.
Pull up, yo.
Let's start.
Pull up.
The cover art. Let's talk about the cover art. Drake, is that you? I need some water. Drake, is that you? Drake, is that you, bro? Shit. Rick Ross. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here, Rick Ross.
Fish tanks and marble floors, living big and bad. Niggas laugh until they hit with my official jab. Cracks.
Fish tank and marble floors living bad. Niggas joke until them hit with the jab. Alright, let's go.
Fish tanks and marble floors, living big and bad. Niggas laugh until they hit with my official jab. Crack smoke is the exhaust from my pen and pad. Ghost writers, they get the floss, what you could have had.
What am I said? Jake have a ghostwriter. Guys, remember, I'm not familiar with this type of music like for react to, you know. So please let me know in the comment section if I miss anything, alright? Please, let's go.
The exhaust from my pen and pad. Ghost writers, they get the floss, what you could have had. Record label taking a loss, are you in your bag? You a worker on the chart, don't make me laugh. Get the mind, tell by my watch, this a different time. Living fine, I'm getting high as your shit decline.
Pull up, yo. Pull up. Let's go.
Fish tanks and marble floors, living big and bad. Niggas laugh until they hit with my official jab. Crack smoke is the exhaust from my pen and pad. Ghost writers, they get the floss, what you could have had. Record label taking a loss, are you in your bag? You a worker on the chart, don't make me laugh. Get the mind, tell by my watch, this a different time. Living fine, I'm getting high as your shit decline. Who believes he moving keys in his Louis V's? Run up on you and snatch your chain, watch you bitches bleed. Feel the
Yo. That floor, yeah, bro. This floor. Listen, we have to put respect on Rick Ross' name, you know. We see Rick Ross and 50 go at it, you know. And if Rick Ross' career can survive going up against somebody like 50 who is an internet troll, then you know Rick Ross have what it takes, bro.
You a worker on the chart, don't make me laugh. Get the mind, tell by my watch, this a different time. Living fine, I'm getting high as your shit decline. Who believes he moving keys in his Louis V's? Run up on you and snatch your chain, watch you bitches bleed. Feel the pain or just describe where you really ride. Either you niggas getting money or ready to die. B.I.G. or give a fuck if you Chi-Ali. You got it and you keep it tucked if you be by me. Do the job, better known as the Charles Schwab. Double R spread through the yard and I swear to God. Pop a perk for the field, go and count me a meal. Kill you niggas for free, do it all for the thrill. Niggas.
The man say, yo, don't need to PM for kill a pussy. Oh, no need to PM if you kill a pussy. I'll do it for free. I will do it for free. Don't pay me. I don't need the money.
The Charles Schwab, double R spread through the yard, and I swear to God. Pop a perk for the field, go and count me a meal. Kill you niggas for free, do it all for the thrill. Niggas leaking their records when we speaking directly. If we keeping it gangster, when you see me, you check me.
Niggas leaking them record. So Jake, he's talking to you, bro. The man I say you leak your diss track. And I see people leak it. Alright? Since I see a leak record and not take ownership of you dropping this, here I go on now. Listen, this is what I want you to do. This is what Rick Ross is saying to Drake. When you see me, keep it gangster and check me. Check me when you see me. Just check me. Yeah. Run up.
Records when we speaking directly. If we keeping it gangster, when you see me, you check me. White boy, I see you. I see you. Yeah, check. Getting bullied, don't walk up on me cause the clip is fully. Niggas pussy don't wanna push me, I'm like, really, would he? Like his moves, but he never had a fight in school. Always ran, another nigga had to write your grooves. Flow.
The man say from school days you're a pussy. You never want to fight in a school. You always get people to do your dirty work. That is what the G said. Man say you're a pussy. P-U-S-S-O. Man say you're lots of pussies. Several cats.
Cause the clip is fully. Niggas pussy don't wanna push me. I'm like, really, would he?
Would he?
Like his moves, but he never had a fight in school. Always ran, another nigga had to write your grooves. Flow was copy and paste. Weezy gave you the juice. Another white boy at the park wanna hang with the crew. Pulitzer Prize winner switching up like.
I see another white boy from the park wanna hang with the crew. Drake, let's look on the cover art. The man this from the cover art go right in, bro.
Ran, another nigga had to write your grooves. Flow was copy and paste. Weezy gave you the juice. Another white boy at the park wanna hang with the crew. Pulitzer Prize winner switching up like dyed denim. Get incentives for all the killings while we ride rentals. Look me right in my face. He beginning to shake. Told you niggas stay scheming. I predicted my fate. Got more money.
Hold on, man. It just daunted on me. Yeah. All the banger tracks, all the classic tracks that Rick Ross and Drake make, we'll never get the next one, you know. Oh God, so sophisticated, made man, all of them songs they like. Those are my favorite Rick Ross. That's my Rick Ross era. And if see them two going at it right now, it's gonna, man, it's hurt. It hurt.
He beginning to shake. Told you niggas stay scheming. I predicted my fate. Got more money than you. Fuck you want me to say. 50 mils for the crib. Where you want me to stay.
The man said I have more money than you, brother. The man said don't bring money to him. Remember said Drake said in him song say fee money versus your money. You can't creep up on him money. Don't try creep up because he money tall. The man said yo 50 million for him crib. Him have more money than you, Drake. Drake he says he's got more money than you, bro. Yeah, that's what he said, not me.
Beginning to shake. Told you niggas stay scheming. I predicted my fate. Got more money than you. Fuck you want me to say. 50 mils for the crib. Where you want me to stay. I can shoot up the block. I got bitches to pay. Let you DM my hoes. But got bitches you can't. Let you get on my.
The man said let you DM him whore. But him have bitches where you can't touch.
Say 50 mils for the crib, where you want me to stay. I can shoot up the block, I got bitches to pay. Let you DM my hoes, but got bitches you can't. Let you get on my songs, it was good for your face. Now bitch nigga is home, and no room for debate.
So the man I say, yo, listen, you never do him no favor. Rick Ross is saying, Drake, you didn't do me no favor, bro. I let you get onto my songs. Yeah, it was good for your face. That is what the G say. So, what y'all say? All right, let's go.
My songs, it was good for your face. Now bitch nigga is home, and no room for debate. Pop a perk for the field, go and count me a meal. Kill you niggas for free, do it all for the thrill. Niggas leaking their records when we speaking directly. If we keeping it gangster, when you see me, you check me.
By the way, I got a lot of respect for a lot of rappers, but I got one guy. He's my favorite person to rap with on any song. His name is Rick Ross.
Maybach music.
You ain't never wanna be.
The man jam for the receipts. The receipts. Remember, you know, in a Drake intro, he must say, yo, no, not even the intro, the first bar in Drake's song, he must say, yo, him could have never been nobody's number one fan. Rick Ross said, that's a lie, because this is what you said on stage about me. Listen.
If we keeping it gangster, when you see me, you check me.
By the way, I got a lot of respect for a lot of rappers, but I got one guy. He's my favorite person to rap with on any song. His name is Rick Ross.
Maybach music.
You ain't never wanna be a nigga anyway, nigga. That's why you had an operation to make your nose smaller than your father nose, nigga.
Wait. I got something to say, wait.
Maybach
You
music.
ain't never wanna be a nigga anyway, nigga. That's why you had an operation to make your nose smaller than your father nose, nigga. I unfollowed you, nigga, cause you sent the motherfucking cease and desist to French Montana, nigga.
Hold on, let's go back to the body shame part. The man said, you do operation for your nose because you want to make your nose smaller than your father nose. Oh, all right, what I know. You have a fat guy, an overweight prison officer, now a rapper, a body shame somebody like Drake. That's disrespectful. That's disrespectful. Getting shame from somebody who you should be body shaming, who don't give a fuck about his body, how he look, is body shaming you, bro. Like, the man said, unfollow you because you send a season, this is to French Montana. The man said, that are no gangster shit, bro. That's not gangster shit, bro.
Anyway, nigga, that's why you had operation to make your nose smaller than your father nose, nigga. I unfollowed you, nigga, cause you sent the motherfucking cease and desist to French Montana, nigga. You sent the police, nigga, hating on my dog project. That wasn't the same white boy that I seen, nigga, when we were making them early records, nigga. When you were happy to be around, nigga, seeing niggas holding them sticks. Yeah, you old motherfucking stun of your life, nigga. Give Weezy some more money, nigga. Give Rap a lot some more money, nigga. White boy, yeah, biggest. It's Rose, nigga. We can do it how you want to do it, where you want to do it, anytime you want to do it. I'm ready. I'm ready, white boy. Huh? I know you got your Dockers on with no underwear, white boy. Yeah, you had that surgery, that six-pack going. That's why you wearing that funny shit at your show. You can't hide it, nigga.
The man said, more body shaming. More body shaming from the fat guy. The man say you have liposuction, your tummy talk.
Huh? I know you got your Dockers on with no underwear, white boy. Yeah, you had that surgery, that six-pack going. That's why you wearing that funny shit at your show. You can't hide it, nigga. White boy.
Jesus Christ. The man body shame. The man body shame, Jake. What on the man? Jake. Achu, have surgery for making nose smaller than your father nose. Yo, the cover art is crazy, by the way. Can I just say, the cover art is fucking disrespectful. The cover art is crazy. What he did to the cover art, it basically say it in the song. White boy. Yo, Rick Ross is vicious, bro. Rick Ross is one of those rappers that I used to listen to back in the days, from Made Man and Sophisticated and them song there. Like, those are my favorite Rick Ross songs. So if you see Rick Ross run out so crazy, this in Jake, bro. Let's talk about the overall track. He's smooth on the beat. He went straight in. He never even give you an intro. He just went straight and start chat, brother. The beat is crazy. This is the side of Rick Ross that a lot of people want to see. A lot of people want to see this side of Rick Ross, bro. Jake, you have a problem, bro. You have a problem now. You have a problem now with Rick. Remember, you took a L from such man. I don't want to call nobody name. Remember, you took a massive L. Where the L where you took, where that let everybody know that you had a son. That L. No. If you're not careful, you will get an L from Rick Ross. Rick Ross not ramping there, bro. Yo, bumbleclot. All right, listen, guys. Let me know what I've missed in the comment section, please. I beg you. Let me know what I've missed in the comment section. Also, if there's any other song drop that I need to react to pertaining to this war, please let me know in the comment section. All right? I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.